She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah.
Hi guys! So, let's start off with the packaging of our quarantine care package. Okay, so for my packaging, namili lang ako ng old crate. So, actually, ginawa ko to ng grade school. Ayan, so para cute yung ating care package, we're going to send it off with an aesthetic-looking crate. Or you can also choose a basket if wala po kayong crate like this one. Or if wala po kayong readily available baskets or crates in the house like this one, you can also use any box or gift wrapping papers, diba? So, it's the thought that counts. Parang extra bonus lang pag naka-cute crate or basket siya. Next, I'm going to fill up my care package with his favorite food items. Ayan, so dumating na yung ating grocery. Gumamit ako nung online grocery app, yung Metro Mart app. And super nice niya guys, like meron siyang designated shopper and deliverer. And then, ayan, so mamimili ka lang dun sa menu nila. And sasabihin naman nila kung ano yung out of stock and kung ano yung mga pwede ma-replace. Ayan, so ito po yung mga favorite items ni NJ. So we have here Ruffles, blueberries, curry mix, strawberry chocolate snacks, Lace Poppables, and Brookside Blueberries. Biko, ito yung pinaka may excite siya. Tagal niya na yan nire-request. And fruity juice. Okay, ayan. So, ngayon naman, lalagyan natin each snack item with a cute note using sticky notes para mas personalized yung each item. And of course, before sending it or doing anything, spray it with alcohol to disinfect. Ayan, so we now have our sticky notes attached to our items. And a good tip for you guys is making your notes funny or mga punny. Ayan, so dito nilagay ko sa juicy or juicy. And then ito, Brookside Blueberries when you're feeling blue. And then, you make my heart pop. Ayan. So, other cheesy quotes na gusto nyo malagay dyan, go lang mga besh. And just to secure everything in place, I placed a piece of tape for each sticky note. Kasi medyo natatanggal-tanggal siya sa mga smooth surfaces. And apart from food snacks, you can also gift your loved ones with other items to make your care package more complete. So I'm gifting him a power bank, perfect na perfect if in case magkaroon ng mga power outages during the quarantine. Some honey butter almonds from our Korea trip. Some face masks because guys need facial care too. And then some nifty finds that I found at home na I think matagal niya na din request from me. A sleeping eye mask. And then this one is a portable raincoat. So may raincoat inside. And ayun, hindi kasi siya mahilig magpayang. So at least ngayon meron na siyang raincoat. Now all we have to do is arrange them inside of our crate or your baskets or your boxes. Ayan, so make it as cute as possible. Charot. Ayan, so arrange lang natin kung saan sila mag-fit ng maayos. Tada! And we now have a complete care package. But wait, there's more. If you guys have some ribbons at home, ayan, so kaya hindi ako nagtatapon ng mga ribbons sa mga cake boxes or sa mga bouquets. I know madi-DIY ko siya someday and this is the time. So, tie a cute ribbon around your care package to make it complete. And so, ni-rearrange ko lang siya in such a way na makikita yung ating mga items. Ayan, so si Smiley Face Raincoat peeping through. Hello! And so, and tada! Our quarantine care package is now done. It looks so cute with its little red ribbon over here, not to be confused with the cake brand. Ayan, so tapos na ang ating quarantine care package. Now, all we have to do is place it inside of this balikbayan box so that hindi mahirapan yung ating mga delivery couriers when delivering our care package.
When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Goosebumps.
Ayan, so perfect na perfect. Saktong-sakto yung box ko sa crate ko. Ayan, so hopefully our delivery couriers will accept this big package, ano? And just before sealing our box up and delivering it, I also included a short little love letter. And so, love in the time of quarantine. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo na rin yung TikTok na yan. Ayan, so super cute just to make your whole package extra special. Ayan, so isi-seal up ko na siya and I'll update you guys later for our delivery and his reaction.
You get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Hala, yan kagad yung tiningnan.
I saw it. I saw it. Sabi is.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Oh my gosh, maririnig nila yan, yung Willie.
10,000! Sabi mo salamat.
My birthday in quarantine. Kaka 12 midnight lang and actually 2 a.m. na pala. Ang bilis ng oras, and now I am going to edit my video na ipapalabas ko in 12 hours or less. Ayan, so yung aking birthday shoot, because I'm extra like that as a Gemini. So by the time you guys are watching this vlog, I have already released that video. So, yung ating Shopee haul video, kung hindi nyo pa po napapanood yan, click nyo na iyan. Ang dami mga cute finds sa Shopee. Again, hindi po sponsored yung video na yan. I just really wanted to show you guys yung mga pinamili ko noong 5-5. Let us now eat. Okay, so nagutom ako, guys. So, kain tayo nitong Vienna sausages. And then, I also brought some choco pie. And so, it's a Korean snack. Popular. Para siyang chocomalos natin. Super sarap. OMG. I've spent already 2-3 hours doing my intro to this video. Ang effort ng intro na to. Ayan, so sana po panoorin nyo tong Shopee haul / Powerpuff Girls lookbook natin. Kasi sobrang effort ng intro. Guys, kakatapos ko lang matapos yung vlog. Ayan, so actually, humiga na ako. The past 2 hours. Habang nagbabuffer and exporting din yung video ko, we shall take a nap. So, kita nyo guys, kakagising ko lang and nalimot ko magtanggal ng makeup. Kasi, oh my gosh, yay! Finally! Mexican food! Another one from the Jowa is a birthday cake! Hi guys! Ayan, so fresh na ulit tayo. Nakaligo na ako and makeup. Ayan, so papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga surprise sa akin so far ni NJ. Ayan, so ito meron tayong burrito and open face taco from Chicharillo. Kasi alam niya, super nag-crave na ako ng Mexican food for 2 months na. Since the quarantine started. Tapos, OMG! Di ko in-expect may cake. Ayan, so pinadala niya ako ng birthday cake. Kahit si ate gumawa na rin ng ice cream cake. So mamaya titikman natin yung ice cream cake din ni ate. Cookies and cream. Tapos ito naman, mango bravo. No. Ayan, so importante masarap naman yan.
Hindi, sa kabilang side.
Ay, joke lang. Ayan, so parang life lang. Show your best face. Kakainin ko na tong open face taco. Ito ako nagbe-breakfast actually. Ginising nila ako dahil ang dami nagpapadeliver. And so thank you ulit, NJ, for my gifts. Love in the time of quarantine. So by the way guys, yung suot ko pala is my Bubbles inspired outfit. Super cute, diba? So kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan ko ito binili, go ahead and check out that video.
Live ka ba?
Hindi. Like, kinakausap ko lang yung mga YouTubers. YouTube. Oh my gosh! Ang bango! Na-miss ko yung outside world! It smells like the restaurant.
Beo, tingin ka sa likod mo. Sa kabilang side. Wow!
Flower store! Galing kay MJ ba?
Saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you.
Wow! Ang ganda naman ng bouquet! It's so pretty! OMG! Wait lang. Naka-wire ba ito? Ayaw niya mag-let go. Wow! Ang ganda! Fairness!
Pagka-pink.
Yes! Ang cute! Hindi ko kailangan magparinig. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na magkaregalo ngayong ngayong quarantine. Yun! Alam na natin, photoshoot mamaya.
And I go to sleep at night.
Oh, may isa pang surprise! Kaso kailangan tayo mag-mask on to receive Grab Express from QC.
Thank you, kuya.
Looking up a bell.
Cute!
Ano siya?
Kasi I'm a burrito. Tapos may letter din. Thank you, NJ! Dami surprise!
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.